Welcome to my channel, Applied Virtual Solutions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is May, and today I have three jobs that I would like to share with you, and they're all remote work from home. AAA Alliance has an insurance call center agent. This is a work from home position, and this is a position where their insurance sales agents are responsible for selling new insurance and membership products to new and existing clients. You will properly place new business insurance policies to support agency objectives, optimize profitability, and maintain long-term relationship with agency carriers. AAA Alliance will match your drive to succeed with a comprehensive training program, excellent coaching, internal referrals, and company success. The opportunity to work from home, but candidates must live within their 13 states plus Washington, D.C. territory. The work schedule is 9:45 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern, first shift, Monday through Friday, with one late evening to be determined, 11:45 a.m. to 8 p.m., and at least one Saturday or Sunday a month on a rotating schedule with a flex day during that week. Regular work schedule would take place after training is completed, approximately 4 weeks from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern. The ideal candidate will have a P&C license. It is required. 2 years of professional sales experience in an insurance environment. Maintain all current licensing, agency, and carrier compliance requirements. Confident sales professional with experience meeting sales goals or quotas. And strong interpersonal and communication skills. Familiarity with OR, the ability to learn multiple softwares, including an agency management system. It's called Applied slash Epic a Plus. Organized and able to manage time wisely, independent and resourceful, technology proficient, Microsoft Outlook, Excel, and Word. AAA offer their agents products that are underwritten by some of the most reputable and respectful insurance providers in the country and are designed to provide the best coverage at the most affordable rates for a AAA member. And the agent will receive an outstanding portfolio of products and services to provide the best opportunities for success. Corporate lead generation system, agent rewards program, and professional development programs are all available. And I will leave the link to this job in the description area below this video. Nationwide Abstracts is hiring a data entry clerk. This is a remote position, it's full time. The salary is $17 to $24 an hour, depending on experience. About the data entry clerk position, they are looking for a skilled data entry clerk who will be tasked with input of paper-based information into their digital system. The company will rely on the candidate for having accurate and updated data that are easily accessible through a digital database. They expect you to be computer savvy and a fast typist with a keen eye for detail. You will also need a good understanding of data confidentiality principles. You will type the data provided directly from customers. You will move data from paper formats into computer files or database systems using keyboards, data recorders, or optical scanners. You will prepare spreadsheets with large numbers of figures without mistakes. You will perform verification of data by comparing it to source documents. You will review and update existing data. And you will also collect data from the database or electronic files as requested, and organize the system backup on a regular basis to ensure data preservation, and manage paperwork after entering data to ensure it is not lost. The requirements for this data entry clerk are 2+ years experience of working on a data entry clerk position, good practical experience with word processing tools and spreadsheets such as Microsoft Word, Excel, good knowledge of office equipment and computer hardware and peripheral devices, basic knowledge of touch typing system and database management tools, fast typing skills with close attention to detail, and written, good command of English, both oral and written, and customer service skills, and a high school degree or equivalent is also required. I will leave the link to this data entry job in the description area below this video. UC Health is hiring for a contact center representative associate, and the remote position is eligible. You will register patients, schedule appointments, procedures, and testing. You may obtain referrals or insurance information, verify guarantor information, quote copay, coinsurance, and self-pay rates to patients. You will provide efficient flow of clinical and non-clinical information by way of phone in a call center setting. The schedule for this job is full-time days. The position has the potential to be fully remote once training has been completed and metrics are being met. You must reside in the state of Colorado at the time of hire. The requirements for this job is a minimum required education of high school diploma or GED. A preferred minimum requirement is a bachelor's degree. The pay range for this position is $19.10 to $24.83 per hour, and pay is dependent on applicants' relevant experience. UC offers their employees a competitive and comprehensive total rewards package, full medical, dental, and vision coverage, retirement plans to include pension plan and 403(b) matching, paid time off, employer paid life and disability insurance with additional buy-up coverage options, tuition and continuing education reimbursement, wellness benefits, 5 years incentive bonus, full suite of voluntary benefits such as identity theft protection and pet insurance. UC Health offers educational benefits for their employees, including the opportunity to be eligible for 100% of tuition, books, and fees paid for by UC Health for specific educational degrees. Other programs may also qualify for up to $5,250 prepaid by UC Health or in the form of tuition reimbursement each calendar year. UC Health is a qualifying employer for the Federal Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program. They provide employees with free assistance navigating the PSLF program to submit their federal student loans for forgiveness. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and get notified by clicking the bell so that you will be updated on new videos, and have a great rest of your day.